Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenny G. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working with some fish that the husband brought home. We're going to be doing some fried catfish for you guys. So this is a pretty straightforward dish or recipe. I know many of you guys will probably know how to fry fish, but catfish is something that actually goes really nicely with dal and rice. You can do the catfish to eat with dal and rice, or as one of those fish bites, fish fingers sort of thing. And the reason I'm doing this fried catfish video for you guys is because we're actually going to be using ground cinnamon in it. So we're actually going to be seasoning up the fish with some ground cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon in stuff other than what we know as for desserts and all of that goes pretty nicely. So you're going to get that nice spice flavor in that fried fish, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. And another ingredient that we're going to be using is cornmeal instead of only flour. So it gives that nice crispiness or that nice extra color to the fish as well. So this is what the catfish looks like. It has already been cleaned and washed with some lime juice and cut into chunks. Of course, you can cut it into any size that you like. And these are all the different seasonings and spices that we're going to be using. All from the JGM Products line, of course. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is just combining all those dry seasonings together. Put everything in a bowl, mix it all up. And then I'm going to be combining the flour with the corn flour and some of that seasoning. Now the full recipe, written recipe, could be found on my website. The link will be listed down below so you guys can check that out. Mix that all up nicely, set that aside, and now we're going to whisk an egg, and then guess what, we're going to be adding the remaining of that dried seasoning mix to the egg. Continue whisking it, get that nice sort of paste going there. And once we have that paste, all we're going to be doing is just adding it to our fish chunks or fish pieces. So you're going to mix this all up. This is a nice little marinade there we have going with the for the fish. So we've got all the different seasons and the salt in there as well. And what we're going to be doing next is simply coating these fish pieces with that flour and corn flour mixture. So you want to make sure that they all coated up nicely. Of course, you can do it one by one, take your time. Or sometimes, to be honest with you, I get a little bit hasty in the kitchen and I have my shortcut methods. So I would usually add all the fish pieces or chicken or whatever it is that I'm coating to the bowl and just mix it all up with my hands. Make sure that it all gets nicely coated there. Once they're coated, I'm just going to set them aside just for a few minutes while that oil is heating up. Make sure that how the flour is nicely coated and stays on the pieces. And then all I'm going to be doing is just simply frying them until they're nice and golden brown. Don't overcrowd your pot when you're frying with anything at all. Temperature is going to drop and you don't want the items being fried to be absorbing too much oil. So you're just going to fry a few pieces at a time until they're nice brown color. And of course, you're just going to remove them, set them aside, and that is what your fried catfish is going to look like. Now, you can have this with some delicious sauce, garlic sauce if you want. You can also have it with the dal and rice and bhaji. One of my absolute favorite combinations actually would be dal and rice with fried fish and some bhaji with it. Either way you choose to enjoy the catfish, it's all totally up to you guys. And just in case you guys are curious to see how exactly this fish was caught by the husband, check it out now.
You're going straight back by you. I'll go by that roughing you up all the time.
No, it's a chef foot. A chef foot.
Bring him out, bring him out. Chef foot. Oh, look, that's a big fish. That's a salmon. That's a big fish.
Watch our line there, man. Big one.
Hey, saw that fish diving, boy.
Nice too bad, man. Jam them.
I feel you like Charles, you know.
Jam them. Shout out to Charles Figuera. Nice too bad, man. Jam them. You're a little red now, dog.
Hey, just concentrate on. What is that, boy?
A ray. A shark. Gilbaka.
Big gilbaka,
Hey,
though.
gap now. Wait a minute.
Yeah. Hold it there, hold it there.
Yes.
Hold him there.
A shark cat, boy. Check out how he looking.
Good eating, but I want him on big scale.
So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this. I know fried fish, we all know how to make fried fish already. Try adding the cinnamon to it. We add cinnamon sticks actually to some stews. Some people actually add cinnamon to stews. So try adding it to this fried fish and let me know what you guys think about it. If you already do, well, comment down below. Let me know what else you guys add when you're making a fried fish or fried chicken. So thanks as always for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And of course, share with all your friends and your family. I shall see you guys in my next video.